Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shares and Short. In this video, I'm going to give you a detailed demo of a powerful new Upstock app that has been released. Upstock have released their both web as well as mobile platform. However, in this video, I'm going to talk all the features of the app as well as the one which I like the most. So stay tuned till the end of this video. Let's begin. First, you will click on Google Play Store or App Store and search for Upstocks. You will see that the old Upstock app will come up first, but please scroll down and you will see the new application of Upstock with this logo. Click on the new Upstocks and then you will find the option to install. Click on install. Let the app get installed on your phone. Till that time, you can enjoy your favorite coffee. Like once it gets installed on your phone, please click on the open button. Now your application will get open and it will ask you for your registered mobile number. Please enter the mobile number which is registered with Upstocks and click on get OTP. You will get an OTP on your phone number. Enter that OTP and then click on continue. You will be asked for your 6-digit PIN, enter it and then set up Face or Touch ID in order to log in future. I prefer to set up Touch ID as an option, which is very convenient for me to access this app next time. Once you are logged into the application, the first thing that you will see is watch list and markets. You can take a tour wherein it will explain you what watch lists are and what markets are. But as you know, under watch list you can list all the shares that you are interested to invest in. Indices is one of the watch lists that is already created by Upstocks. If you click on the downward arrow button over here, you will get the option to see the watch lists that are already there, and you can also create a new watch list by clicking on create list. Now the next tab is trades tab. If you click on the trades tab, it will allow you to take a tour to understand what exactly you will see in this tab. So it shows positions as well as holdings. It helps you to monitor your profit and loss. Like you can see under positions, it shows profit and loss for today and the total profit and loss. As I don't hold any positions, it shows 0. Similarly, holdings, I don't have any holdings, so P&L for today is 0 and total is 0. If you have any pending orders, it will show over here. So the next tab is the tab that I found really interesting, here you can find the smart list that has already been created by Upstock for you. So any investor who wants to take quick decisions for investing will be able to do it with the help of this list. It also has popular scripts that most popular in the Upstock community. Now once you get into this tab, you will find two cards, that is IPO as well as mutual funds. Investing into IPO and mutual fund is very easy through Upstock and it's absolutely free. Once you click on invest in IPO, you will see the ongoing IPOs which you can apply, and under my IPOs you will find the IPOs that you had applied previously, and under past IPOs you will find all the IPOs that were offered previously in the last 6 months. Similarly, you can explore the options under mutual funds by clicking on explore funds under mutual funds card. As you see, these are the mutual funds that have been listed which are very popular, and if you want to invest as per the collections, click on collections. It have listed all the mutual fund depending upon their nature, like tax saver funds, new funds offerings, low risk, growth boosters. You can check your mutual fund portfolio by clicking on MF portfolio tab. Here you can see the mutual funds that you hold as of today. Let's see the other categories that we have under this tab. Under movers and shakers, you will find 1 week high shares. You have to click on the 1 week high card. It will list all those shares that were doing really good in the past 1 week. Similarly, if you click on 1 month high, it will list all those shares which were doing good in the last 1 month. Really good for you to understand which were the shares that were doing good in last 1 week, 1 month, or in the last 52 weeks. Also, you can see 1 month low, 1 week low, 52-week low, only buyer, only seller. Now let's talk about the next thing which has amazed me a lot. Like they have categorized the shares depending upon the industry. Like if I click on automobile sector, it will show all the shares which are under automobile sector. This helps us to diversify our investment. If anybody is interested in diversifying in their investment of shares into different sector, they can go through all this list, like automobile sector, banking sector, construction sector, IT sector, pharma sector, oil and gas sector, and so on. It has also listed the top losers who are not doing that good. There are some smart investing categories of shares. Here you can see the different categories. I will click on view all to show you, like the shares which are with top ROCE, high price of to earning ratio, high interest coverage ratios, high EV or EBITDA, high EPS stocks, high dividend yield. Next tab is the inbox tab, in which you will find all the price alerts as well as any notification from Upstox. If you click on the account option on top left hand corner, you will be able to find the tabs like wallets, and the other tab that you can see is rewards, account, and then settings. Let's see what all this tab uh, give the information. Like the wallets tab will show you the securities that you hold, the fund in use, and rewards will show the rewards that you earned till now by referring your friends. Under account, you can check your profile by clicking on the profile tab. Under reports, you can check ledger report, profit and loss report, holding report, trade report, and so on. And there is corporate actions. Under settings, you can do settings to the application. You can change the mode of your application, like there's an option to change it to dark theme. Under support, you can click on that question mark icon and get support from Upstox. You can search for scripts by clicking on the search option on top right hand corner. So as I mentioned in the start of the video, there is one important feature that I like the most is checking the shares and giving the overall details about it, so that it helps me to understand and take the right decision of investing. Like if you click on the share, it will show the market depth of it, and the company's profile, and any related news. And the news are links. If you click on the links, you will be able to read through the news that has been published for that shares. It will definitely going to guide me in taking any of the investment decision. Similarly, you can take the help of charts, and under charts there are different chart style like candle bar and other chart styles. I personally use candle bar, and also you can choose the period for which you want to see this chart and take decisions by doing technical analysis. So that's it about the new application that Upstox have released. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button if you liked the video, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and also provide your valuable comments. So thank you guys, see you all in the next video. Till then, bye, take care.